Hello, hello.
Hello,
Hello.
Najam.
How are you?
I'm good.
Awesome. Hi, Oscar. Bienvenido. Thank you for joining. I saw someone else, but I think we
But
can
left.
get, yeah, but I think we can get started since it's has been recorded, the session.
Okay.
Uh, okay, so, well, thank you everyone who is joining now and or watching on demand. Today we continue with our community call under the CBWeb3 Lab initiative. We have plenty of recordings, very interesting recordings already published in the YouTube channel. And now we continue on the tech front. And with that, I pass the word to Carolina. Carolina, thank you. Go ahead.
Okay.
The floor is yours.
Thank you, Najam. I'm going to share my screen. For today, I only will share my screen since all the things are to be presented in our repo. And for an overview, I want to first to do an overview. So we present 2 sessions ago what the toolbox is and what is not. So if maybe someone want to know what is that, what are the details, you can see our past sessions, or you can go to our repository and read exactly what is and what is not. Okay, so we have our repository. If maybe you don't know what is it, is in CBWeb3 into Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust Labs. And yes, again, the name is CBWeb3. And into that, you can find now a big structure of or all the things that we already have. You can have the documents regarding what we are building. And for this session, we have indeed the mockups and some artifacts for the toolbox. So maybe as you know, or maybe we mentioned it in past sessions, we are building with a developer company, and we are working based in deliverables, and from the 5 deliverable, we have some APIs and all the JSON Swagger that represents or describes what are the different response that we are going to have in our API. So again in this folder, specifically the toolbox into our repository, you are going to find the contracts description. For the moment, we are describing only payment versus payment contract. You can have here the charter and the explanation on how to use that, the mocks and the test vectors around that. So that means that it is the cornerstone, or it is the materials that we are providing to the community to start building the different artifacts. And what are that artifacts? We create a detailed toolbox backlog where all the different these modules that we expect from yes, we expect to the community to help us building this. So we have all here. If maybe you have some questions, you can write us. We have a Discord channel where you can write us to ask for access to these repositories. So again, for I am not going to deep in the test vectors. You can have here the explanation, where are the files, how you can validate that. And it is for the test vectors. Again, it is only for PvP for the moment. The mocks, you can have it here too, how to use that. But I think that you need to start here in Docs Charter, so you can find exactly what we are providing to you, what is the structure, and what is the structure of that artifacts and reference mocks. So you can use that to help the project. And yes, and is that, and again, the whole contributing, you can find here what you can do. And yes, and it's all for the moment. I think that it's all, Najan. Maybe if someone have some questions or some suggestion for another topic. But yes, it's all. I expect more questions from maybe that someone can test all of these artifacts that we are providing to the community.
Okay, thank you, Carolina. Maybe we can recap, maybe using your previous presentation that we you used in our
Okay,
session.
give me a second. Let me share that.
People that are on the call right now, if you want to drop your questions in the chat or open your mic, ask anything, please let us know. Has been a while. We presented the technical scope, the functional use case, etc. So gradually we are deep diving into the nuts and bolts of the development since we are kickstarting. That's why today we're covering the endpoints under the CBWeb3 toolbox that we already proposed. But we are taking advantage in this session to present again and recap what is the CBWeb3 toolbox.
Exactly. It was our past session, so we explain yes that is the objective. Yes, what was our backlog. We present our repository and the artifact templates, and an overview again in what it is and what it isn't our toolbox. So just again to recap, the idea is to have a catalog of reusable, pluggable artifacts that could be adapters, SDKs, tests, and other things that could be integrated with our final blueprint. And since the idea is to have it very modular, the artifacts need to be standalone, and we are providing for that the APIs and just and information in how you can start from that developing without having the whole code that we are going to deliver at the end. So yes, is that what that is not the toolbox? It is not a full production stack for a central bank. We are building a digital public good, and we are going to deliver a blueprint. So the idea is to be a base for future developments. So then this is basically is that. And the backlog is based in 4 main modules that are interoperability, privacy and compliance, operations and reliability, security, and baseline. So you can see here what are all, but all of from this, all of different issues are already created in the project that I just showed you. And it is the structure of the project. You can see that structure in the repository. And yes, and it was from the past sessions, only a description, and now we already have that artifacts ready to the community to start helping, to start developing.
That's great. Thank you, Carolina. So just a quick recap. We presented this in our previous session, February 5th, if I'm not
Yes.
mistaken.
Yes.
And of course, this session is already, it's also being recorded. So it will be available in the LF Decentralized Trust channel as well. And we are using as a official communication channel. We do have a channel in Discord server for LFDT. Okay, so more than happy to have you there interacting. We are posting the recordings there. We are posting the agenda previously to our community calls. So I think we cover everything, right, Carolina?
Yes, I think so. Maybe if you have the link to the Discord channel, maybe it's useful to share.
Right here. Let me see if I can drop it. Not sure how I can copy the server channel.
Okay, give me a
Let
second.
me
I
see
can
it.
try to.
Can you do this? Let's see. Copy link. Got it.
Okay.
So you're gonna this URL will guide you straight to the CBWeb3 channel under the LF Decentralized Trust server. Okay, so we are there, Karina and I. So thank you very much for joining, for watching. Hope you can get more inputs from the community. And just to close, we have a core development, including deploying the network, the Abesu network. Also, we are considering interoperability angles. You can see this and check this in our previous sessions. And also, we are testing privacy using Paladin, also a project from LF Decentralized Trust. So we are mixing everything up, and we're pretty sure that we're gonna have very interesting inputs for the whole community in terms of testing with central banks across Latin American Caribbean and also financial institutions across the region. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you in 2 weeks in our next session.
Yes, thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Take care. Bye bye.